Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word translates. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She is fluent in multiple languages and easily translates between them. Translates in this context means being able to convert or express something from one language to another accurately and effectively. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.